center for Waco.
Whoa, this is freaking awesome. Whoa, there's a street.
You get caught up over in there, you'll die. The water keeps coming in the water. Saw it foam over on the side of it?
Yeah.
You used to be able to walk right there. You used to walk down in here.
Holy crap, how did it get that high? This is coming out of Lake Whitney?
It's Whitney Dam, right?
Whoa, taking a video of this. There's a freaking...
Right here. Look at that big table.
Did this place used to be the water?
I just can't get near the water, okay? Serious. Fall in that water, I won't never be able to catch it.
Whoa.
God. I'm in the water.
What's all the way down there?
Huh?
What's all the way down there?
Just more water.